What'd you say?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Do you want to open your stocking now?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to get your stocking, huh?
Uh-huh.
Which one's yours?
This one.
Okay, let's get it.
Okay.
Sit down. What's that?
Silly bands.
Silly bands?
And Harry Potter's.
Oh.
And Ron. Is Ron in his clothes? Replay quizzes.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, is this?
Ooh, what is that?
Is it Hedwig?
Is that a Christmas ornament for the tree?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll put it on later, huh?
Yeah, later. Ooh, Frosty. I got Frosty. Do I got Frosty?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Did I get a reindeer?
Is that bath soap?
Yep.
Ooh. What does it smell like?
Like soap.
Oh, it smells like soap.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of soap? Does it smell like bubble gum, or does it smell like candy, or maybe coconut?
That smells like soap.
Oh, all right. I guess it's not special then, huh? Want to use that later when you take a bath?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tonight I'll wear it when it's dark. Ooh, M&M.
Ooh. What's that other thing?
Lego.
Lego?
Uh-huh.
Push on his tummy.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
Right here.
Yeah.
Is it a flashlight?
Yeah.
I want to use this when I go night.
Okay.
I never don't play with my flashlight.
Yeah.
And I got M&M, see?
Let me see.
See?
Oh. Is that Eminem wearing a funny hat?
Yeah, like a reindeer hat.
Mm-hmm.
Is this Nemo? I got Nemo.
Roll it on the floor.
Is that sparkle on it?
Yeah.
It lights up. I mean, it got all sparkly.
Mm-hmm. You like that soap?
Uh-huh. But how are we going to use it when I get in the bathtub?
It opens on the back side. Turn it over.
Here?
Turn it over.
This
Over.
way?
Look at the back.
Right here?
Nope.
Right here?
There you go.
Oh, opens that way?
Yeah, don't open it right now. You'll get soap all over the place.
Okay. And I can open it when I get in the bath.
Yes.
And I got a new Tinkerbell toothbrush.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Is that a pretty bracelet?
Yeah.
Do you want to put it on right now?
Yeah, sure.
Here, let me get it off for you.
Does it fit me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, love you.
I love you.
Why do you bite that?
To get it off.
Oh,
Here you go. Put it on.
that's cute.
What's on there?
Santa on my Christmas tree and beads.
And what else?
Sparkly.
Oh, is those sparkly ribbons?
And a popsicle.
A popsicle. That's a lollipop, sweetie.
And a lollipop. I feel breath, a new breath.
You feel a new brush? you just messed up your hair. We'll have to fix it.
Ooh, look, I got a key cat.
Let's see. Show me.
See?
What are you gonna name it?
I am gonna name it Pactorupia.
Oh, okay. I don't know if I can say that name again.
Huh?
I don't know if I can say that again. What's the name?
Pactorupia.
Pastarupia?
Yeah.
Interesting name.
What is this?
What is that?
The Cookie Monster?
What does this see? Let me see it. That's a scary face lollipop.
Yeah. Let's see, is in here. Oh, look, Tactic.
Is that a big giant lip gloss?
Yeah.
Open it up.
Okay.
On the top.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't know if I can open this.
Hand it to me.
Ew. Can I take this out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ew.
Flip it over.
Can I take it out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can I put it on me?
You can put it on. You can put the big one on if you want.
Okay, but I don't know how to get
Here, I'll help you. There you go. Look how big that is, huh?
What does it smell like? Does it smell like candy?
Look
Me
at how
too.
big that lip gloss is. Put it on.
Okay. Whatever. More?
I think that's plenty. Does it taste good? Good stuff. What does it smell like?
Candy.
Oh, it smells like candy.
Mm-hmm. What kind of candy?
Sugar Plum Wish.
Oh, do I need more?
Sure, why not? Throw some more on.
Okay.
Ooh, pretty.
Don't need more.
It's a big lip gloss, huh?
Uh-huh.
Is your stocking empty? Let's make sure.
Yep, it's empty.
Okay, let's see all the stuff you got.
Okay. Should we open the silly bands?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
What do you say?
Merry Christmas.